In this video, I'll detail how to change flashlight and camera icon on iOS 18 on iPhone lock screen. So if on your iPhone lock screen, like this, you have the camera icon and the torchlight icon like this, then you can easily change it or interchange both icons on your lock screen. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the flashlight and camera icon on lock screen on iPhone on iOS 18. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go to your iPhone lock screen. You can do this by pressing the side button to lock the screen, then press it again, then unlock with your Face ID or Touch ID. After that, press and hold the screen like this. Click on Customize. Then since we want to edit the toggles on the lock screen, then select lock screen. Then after that, you see the camera and then the torchlight. In my own case, I have my camera and I have my torchlight. You can always interchange this. Now to change this icon, all you just need to do is delete the assistance icon like this, and then click on the plus icon, add whatever you want to add there. Here, I can easily click to add calculator, then click on the plus icon again where the camera is in your own case, and you can just add maybe music. Then once you click on that, just go ahead and click on the done button at the top right, then click on it again. So whenever your phone screen is locked like this, and you should see the calculator and the music app on the lock screen. So if you go ahead and swipe left, this is still going to open the camera app on your iPhone, but if you press and hold the music icon like this, so this is going to launch music, or press and hold calculator, this is going to launch calculator on your iPhone. So that's how you can change the flashlight and camera icon on iOS 18 lock screen on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.